Hello everyone. Welcome to the another episode of CLG Shorts. Hope you are enjoying the series. Today we are going to discuss about what really income is and on which income the taxes are to be paid. In short, we are going to learn about what taxable income is and what non-taxable income is. Because not every income the taxes are paid. There are few exemptions also. Let's know about it more. So we'll start with what really income is. If we say in a layman language, we can understand that every money which we earn in our day-to-day lives can be income. But if we study a proper definition, then income is explained as whatever money we earn from providing goods and services to any person, by any person, to an entity, by an entity, by investing a sum of capital on the part of that person which is providing the goods and services. So, if we start with the first thing, in tax laws, we have to pay the taxes. You must have heard about income tax. Yes, that comes under the direct taxes. And we need to calculate the income tax because we need to pay the government a sum of share of our income for the progress in the country and the working of the government. There are different types of income, but only few are taxable. Not all incomes are taxable. So first thing, I would like to drag your attention towards the illegal income or the tainted income. Do you really think that illegal or the tainted income is a taxable income? Surely write your views in the comments below. But to understand this, what really illegal income is and is it taxable, there should not be a confusion left. So, illegal income is an income which is not allowed by the law. For example, the income earned by murdering someone will be an illegal income. Of course, murder is not allowed by the law. You must be knowing that section 302 of IPC says that murder is not apt under the law or it's punishable. So, any income earned from murdering someone or any act which is not allowed by the law will be considered an illegal income. There is one more term which we need to understand for this concept forward. That is the black money. And it will create the concept more interesting. So, we already understood the meaning of illegal income. But now, what is black money? Obviously, it's not the money which is black. It's the income which may be earned illegally or legally, doesn't matter. But the taxes are not paid on that income. When the taxes are not paid on a particular income, it becomes the black money, even earned lawfully. But in most cases, illegal money is considered the black money, only because obviously you won't declare that you have murdered someone and earned the money and then you're paying taxes on it. Tax department won't go easy on you, believe me. So, here we can conclude the point that almost all the illegal income or the money is the black money. But some legal money can also be the black money. Like, I'm a teacher and I teach 10 students. But I only show in my books of accounts that I teach 5 students. So, the income earned from those 5 students which are not showed in the books of accounts will be considered as the black money. Though I earned the income legally, but I did not pay taxes on it. So, it will be considered as the black money. Illegal money is the taxable income, but people avoid paying taxes on it for obvious reasons of not disclosing it, and it's converted into black money eventually. So, now we can come to the point of the disputed income. That is our second type of income. Disputed income is, we can understand from a very really easy example. So, there is a dispute between two people on a property, but that property was rented to someone long ago. So, that person which pays the rent for that property and the person who is receiving the rent from the property, the rent is the income for that person and he has to pay taxes on it. He cannot take an excuse that because it is the disputed income, I won't pay taxes. Disputed income is a taxable money. Now, moving forward, there is one more type of income, that is the PIN money. So, here is an example for you. You must have seen your mother and father savings a little bit of amounts for the regular household budget for the purpose of savings. that money is not the taxable money. Let's know it why. So, when that income was earned, or we can say that the PIN money was earned, your father or mother, whoever earned those income or just part of that income, they already paid the taxes on it when it was earned. So, do you really think the tax department would ask one more time to pay taxes, even if you're paying even if you're saving that part of income from the already tax paid income? No, the PIN money is not a taxable income. Make sure of it, your mother won't pay taxes on it. Household budget for the purpose of savings. That money is not the taxable money. Let's know it why. So, when that income was earned, or we can say that the PIN money was earned, your father or mother, whoever earned those income or just part of that income, they already paid the taxes on it when it was earned. So, do you really think the tax department would ask one more time to pay taxes, even if you're paying even if you're saving that part of income from the already tax paid income? No, the PIN money is not a taxable income. Make sure of it, your mother won't pay taxes on it. So, hence, here we can conclude that only few incomes are taxable and not all. We can come to a point that income can be in cash or kind, and income should always come from outside. These are the basic points about income, and you should know and study further about which other types of incomes are taxable and are non taxable. Kindly tell your views in the comments below, and hope you find this video informative. Thank you for watching it.